Hi guys! Natulog ako, fasted 8 hours, nag-workout ako, nag-cardio, nag-swimming kami ni Mrs. Valentine's Date, and then muwi, nag-ano kami, sauna and cold plunge. Ayan. Sauna. So fasted ako ng 12 hours, napabilis dahil empty stomach, ano lang, kaping barako lamang, pang workout, and then tubig with baking soda or asin. Okay na yun. 0 calories. Tandaan nyo, tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor, do what works for you, happy, healthy. Kung di nyo kaya mag-cold plunge, wag, baka sipunin kayo. Unti-unti. Yung sauna ko, 15 minutes, naka 70 degrees Celsius. Tapos, 20 degrees Celsius naman yung cold plunge. 1 minute, 3 times. So yun, para nag-tight yung skin. Rejuvenated, lalo na after cold plunge. Pag after sauna, nangihina, parang nag-cardio. Innovation, autophagy, burns fat. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor, do what works for you, happy, healthy, guys. God bless.